My name is Reggie, also known as 5-Star Reggie. And the way that I became 5-Star Reggie is by taking the job that I do very serious and personal. I love to fix things. That's one thing since I was a kid, I always wanted to fix my bikes. I wanted to fix things around the house for my mom, I was just always wanting to fix things, so that was one of the biggest points in my life, just, helping, fixing, and building. Every time I leave with someone's unit, after I'm done, I always ask them, is there anything else I can do for you? I might notice a light bulb out that they didn't even put in a service request for. I'll change that light bulb. Even if they're not home, I'll change it. I'll leave them a note, hey, I changed that bulb for you as well. Oh, your faucet was loose as well. I noticed a couple things, took care of it for you. I've always been in the maintenance type field, construction area, stuff like that. But I was driving a truck at one point in my life, and I wasn't feeling that I was utilizing my time or my strengths. And I saw that, Equity had a position opening for maintenance and stuff like that. I figured, let's give it a try. Everybody here is welcome to be their self. That's the truth. All walks of earth here, we all understand each other. We try to be everybody on the same page. I feel highly recognized and I feel very much valued. I started as a technician, learning the ins and outs of doing maintenance. A position came open for the senior service tech here at Altitude. So I said, let me give it a try. I got the job, they believed in me, and my next step is becoming a manager, in the near future. We have a little huddle amongst the service team. We'll hand out all the service requests here. You take these, you take these, you take these. If you have to do a couple turns, you need some help in your turn, let me get this guy here to come help you. We got a quick move-in coming tomorrow. Let's everybody go inside this unit, take care of it, get it done. That way the resident will be happy, the leasing team will be happy, we'll all be happy, and we'll figure it out together. On a day-to-day basis, everybody has a specific area we need to maintain. It's called a rise and shine. My job is to check the swimming pools and amenities and the clubhouse. About 10 o'clock, I check my emails, check and make sure any work orders that needs to be addressed ASAP. I'll get to doing service requests, try to take care about 5 or 6 before lunch. From there, I'll end up getting called to the office from the leasing team. They need me to come talk to somebody or do an NTV walk, a notice to vacate. It's always something different. I got my EPA license, so I was able to work on HVAC systems, charge refrigerators, and installing dishwashers, installing garbage disposals, unclogging tubs. It can be anything from a busted pipe here. We had floods in the garage, floods in the ceiling. We always have something different. It's just natural disasters. We get rain. It's things that we can't, it's out of our hands, and we have to jump on top of it and, do whatever it is we need to do. Sometimes you'll interact with someone that's not happy, or they don't want us in their house, but they want us to fix the problem, right? Learn to be patient, I'm gonna tell them, I understand what's going on. I'm not the one who created the problem, but I'm here to solve the problem for you. That's one of the biggest things to me. If you can interact with people good, that's one of the main goals of being a maintenance guy, in my book, Anybody want to know my 5-star thing is me communicating with someone, on a person-to-person level. I like helping people a lot. That's one of my favorite things of this job. Every day I can put a smile on somebody's face. Every day I can fix something. Every day I can do some good here, and that, in my book, that makes me feel like a hero.